Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix the issue that you have. Probably if you're looking at this video, probably you cannot send messages and the message is not working. So if I go on the messages, as you can see here, I'm on the inbox, and if I press on a little arrow that is on the top right corner, as you can see here, there is a few messages. So first thing, if you cannot send the messages, is that maybe the person is, as you can see here, set up their privacy settings that nobody can send you a message. So this is the first issue. And the second one, simply that particular person that you want to send a message do not follow you, and still if person follows you and they set up privacy settings that they can receive messages, you cannot send messages still. What you need to do here is to go on me icon that is on the bottom right corner, and then press on three little dots that is on the top right corner, and then scroll down until you see clear cache. Press on that and clear your TikTok cache and try to send messages again. And if this method not working, what you need to do here is to go on your settings here, and then go on general, and then go on iPhone storage. And basically what you need to do here is to refresh TikTok app. So go on the TikTok here, and then press on offload app, and offload TikTok. And simply what it does is refresh your TikTok app, and basically if there was a bug, this method will fix that, right? So wait a few seconds until the TikTok app refreshes, and then try to send a message, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.